Do you know there are only 2 pickup trucks in America with a manual transmission? Let's get into this video. It's hard to believe it had not been a full-size pickup truck with a manual transmission in 6 years. Yes, I'm like, yo, hold on, how? Because you know, manual transmission used to be the thing for pickup truck. If you had a pickup truck, you was getting a manual transmission. You be like, all right, cool, you wanna grind through them gears like it's no one's business. Yeah, so, but it's been 6 years since a full-size pickup truck had a manual transmission. Everything is going automatic. Right now, there are only 2 pickup trucks in America with a manual transmission. Can you guess what they are? Go ahead and pause the video. The first run-up is the Jeep Gladiator with its rugged design, and all the trim levels come with a manual transmission. Yes, the Jeep Gladiator still comes with a manual transmission if you want to rip through them gears on and off the roads. Yes, the Gladiator is still rugged and is a nice vehicle. Jeep did a little bit of remodeling with the Jeep Gladiator, gave it a bigger interface and a bolder grille. Yes, the Jeep Gladiator still comes with a manual transmission in 2024. So if you still want that manual transmission, the Jeep Gladiator still got that for you. If you still want that manual transmission, guess what? Toyota is still offering it with the Toyota Tacoma, with the SR, the TRD Sport, the TRD off-roading. So yeah, if you want to go off-roading, if you still want to have that mid-size pickup truck with that manual transmission, the Toyota Tacoma still have it, and Toyota says they probably not going to get rid of it. The Toyota Tacoma still come with a manual transmission if you want to rip through those gears. And if you want to get an auto, guess what? You can still get an auto. So that'll be the 8-speed automatic transmission along with the 6-speed manual transmission. Even with the Jeep Gladiator, you can get an 8-speed automatic transmission with the Jeep Gladiator, and you can still get a 6-speed manual transmission. A moment of silence for the 6-speed manual transmission. The 6-speed manual transmission is eventually fading out. A lot of car enthusiasts and automotive people who like cars, who still want that man pedal, yes, man, it's starting to go away. But if you're enjoying this video, go to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of Artofspeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.